Pandas, filter group by multiple conditions. I have a data frame that looks like this. I want to get a list of all the IDs for which is_local was true at the start of 2016, but false at the start of 2017. I've started by grouping by ID. Then I've tried this just to filter by the second of these conditions, as a way of getting started, but it's returning all the groups. How can I filter in the way I need?
Another way of doing this is through pivoting.
You can try using the datetime module from datetime library and pass multiple conditions for the data frame. Use multiple conditions for slicing out the required data frame. Use Pandas concatenate later. Will output you rows 1 and 2 in single line as follows.